A home is a long-term investment, and according to a recent research, a home might be the biggest investment that you'll ever make in your life. And for it to be excellent, you need to consider three things. First, you must consider the location. Second, you must consider the price. And third, you have to consider the quality. Today, we are in Juja, exactly 10 minutes from Thika Superhighway and exactly 50 meters from the tarmac. This is a unit that we are giving you at a discounted price of 16.9 million Kenya shillings. Looking at this unit from several angles, you will realize that the developer has done a ton of work to make sure that he is giving you the best quality. The size of the unit is around 300 square meters, and the unit has been constructed on a 40 by 80 lot. For the people working in Nairobi, we are exactly 40 minutes from Nairobi CBD, and this area is very family friendly. On this side, you can see that you are going to enjoy your green spaces done excellently, and you can also add more green spaces to join the rear side of the unit. This unit enjoys a 2-car parking if you have the big cars. Lakini kama wewe ni mtu wa alto, you can fit up to 7 of them. The home comes surrounded by a perimeter wall and an electric fence. And if that is not enough, you are also getting a razor wire. And for the Americans in the building, this does not make Africa inhabitable. It actually makes it very secure. From the main entrance, you get a sliding gate, and if you prefer this to be automated, that one can easily be done. This residence is a 4-bedroom or ensuite mansion plus a family room. And if you were to purchase such a unit in Ruiru or Kikuyu, you are supposed to pay north of 20 million Kenya shillings. So for us to ask you for 16.9 million Kenya shillings, this is actually a steal. Come closer. As you can see, the developer has given this unit a good coat of rough and tough. You are also getting some Mazera cladding on this side just to make sure that the unit is giving you a very good, beautiful look, and you are getting a ton of light from these big windows. If you have checked the mansions that we have reviewed recently, this is the only mansion that comes with the biggest entrance porch. You can actually do a small table here and 2 seats, and you will sit here in the morning and enjoy the view of your cars. If that is not enough, the developer has given you these 2 potted flowers just to spice the ambience. The unit comes with a double metal casement door, which is semi-transparent, just to give you a little bit more light. Right now, we are in the living room. It has been done very well. I like the size of it, and I am loving the ceiling heights. This unit would be excellent if you are doing a 7-seater all the way to a 9-seater couch. The living room is getting a ton of natural light from this window, which is also acting as the access to your front yard. Very, very interesting. For your night light, you have the mood lights, you get a center light, and the developer has given you several side lights. The living room has been separated from the dining area by this small separation. And for the people who want to know where the focal point is, you can do your TV over here. And if your ancestors have told you that you must keep north, you can also do it on this other side. The dining area has been done very well. I like it that it would easily fit an 8-seater. What I like about it most is that you can easily get the food from the kitchen, which is on my right-hand side, to the dining area. The dining space is also coming with a massive 6-foot window to give you enough natural light. And during the night, you have these 2 center lights. For 16.9 million Kenya shillings, this is a huge kitchen. What I would want for mine is to get an island, but that one can be added later when you purchase the unit. The kitchen is coming fully fitted to where you are getting a heat extractor. You have a 5-burner cooktop, and on the other side, you are going to get an oven. This space has been left for your microwave, and if you have a big fridge, this is where you should do it. This kitchen comes with the wash area at the center, which is a double sink that is coming with a tilting faucet, and you can set it to different sprinkling designs. The kitchen comes with a big window just to make sure that this area is very well lit, especially when you're washing your utensils. The kitchen also comes with a pantry, and you have a door over there which will take you to the rear side where you have the clotheslines area and the kitchen garden. Let's see that. The pantry is not the biggest. What I can see here is the alarm, of which I don't know what it's doing in the pantry. This one is supposed to be up there, but I hope when you're purchasing the unit, tutakuwa tumehamisha hiyo. On this other side, under the staircase, you have the laundry area. Kidogo kidogo nikutole. That's not supposed to be seen. This is the laundry area, and as you can see, it is big enough to fit your washer and dryer. For the clothesline space, you'll have to access it using this door. We are at the rear side of this unit, and as you can see, the kitchen garden is non-existent, but you can do it yourself when you purchase the unit. This is the clotheslines area, done very well. It would actually fit all the clothes for the family. On that far end, you have your water tank, 3,500 liters. If that is not enough, you have another one on the roof deck, which is also 3,500 liters. I'll take all of you inside. Behind me, you have the common washroom, and you have the wash basin over here. And this becomes very important, especially when you're washing the unit. You can access water from here without going into the toilet or the common washroom. This other door is taking you to the guest bedroom, which is the only bedroom that you get on this level. The guest bedroom comes with a very well done closet. I like the size of it, and it has been partitioned very well to fit all your foldable and hangable clothes. This space has been left for the guest shoes, and this bedroom comes en suite. The bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we will see in this unit. The window is massive for enough natural light. Let's proceed upstairs. For the shorter version of this video, make sure you check our other socials, and if you're interested in comparing this unit to many more, check out our website africanrealestate.com. We are on the first level where we have the 3 bedrooms and an extra balcony. This is the rear balcony, and it is giving you the best views of Juja locality. Welcome to the first bedroom, and as you can see, every bedroom is coming with this kind of doors which are very modern, and the quality is very nice. Come inside. This bedroom is the biggest of the 2 kids' bedrooms, so it is targeting your teenagers. The closet is also big to fit all your teenager clothes. And also you have some extra compartments for the foldable clothes. For the shoes, you have this section that has been done very well. This bedroom comes with a very big window, and if you understand what indoor-outdoor environment is, you will appreciate big windows. Come closer. The bathroom to this bedroom comes with 2 sections. You have this side that has been reserved for the washroom activities, and this other side that has been reserved for your showering activities. From the entrance of the primary, you have the primary bathroom, which is the biggest. You are also going to get a walk-in closet. We will see that in a sec. What I want us to concentrate on is the sleeping space. As you can see, you would easily do a king size or a queen size bed here. What fascinates me is the size of the window that you are getting and the amount of light that is giving this bedroom. The ceiling heights are excellent, and this would be a perfect place for you and your wife. The primary is also coming with a balcony, and from here you are going to get the best view of your car space or your parking area and your green space. If you want to see more, you can enjoy the view of this locality. As I mentioned, this bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, and you are also getting a dresser which has been done very well. You have this side that can be reserved for you if you don't have an appetite of shopping, and this other side can be reserved for you and your 3 tons of clothes. This is the primary bathroom, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may require. You have a wash basin over there, a tissue holder, a WC, the showering area, which comes with a provision for a shower curtain. You have a rain shower, which is also going to come with a handheld, and on this other side, you have a double towel holder. From the primary, you can access the smallest kids' bedroom, and this is targeting your tiny children. For the moms in the house, you understand that this bedroom is very important, and it being next to the primary makes it better, because wakati uko na katoto kadogo na kanalialia hapa, you can easily crisscross between the 2 bedrooms as you serve your little one. As you can see, you are getting a massive closet, so this bedroom will also serve bigger children, and it has been partitioned very well. For the other purposes that you would use this bedroom for, you have a bathroom which comes in handy, and you are also getting a very big window to make sure that everything in this room is very well aerated. For the people who are actively looking for a property right now, we do give pre-purchase inspections just to make sure you don't get caught. It won't cost you a lot, but it will save you a ton. On my right hand side, you have an extra bathroom which can be used when you are on this level. This level gives you the pergola, the roof deck, and the family room. Let's see all those. For the people who would want Thika Road to be their primary residence, you know that this unit has been placed very well in the market. The price is nice, and it is offering you a ton of value. Right now we are in the family room, and this would be an excellent space or a private space where you can sit with the family, discuss the business of the family, and also interact without disturbing anyone else in the common spaces. This is where you are supposed to do your TV or your electronics. You have a big access over here which takes you to the pergola and the roof deck, and you have a massive window on that side to give you enough natural light. As I mentioned, this unit is coming with a pergola, and you can do a small roof here and makes this place to be a very good shade. If you like doing solar energy, this is where you can do your solar panels. The roof deck is an excellent space for you to host, and if you have small kids, wanaweza chezea mpira hapa. On top of the pergola or on top of the roof deck, you have your 3,500 liter tanks, and if you want to do solar water heaters, that's where you should do them. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase this unit, our number is attached down here, and if you would want to see more in the locality, you can always call us during the working hours. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one. As always, this is African Real Estate, and my name is Mogai Wakehara.